仲 Vip Su， 大家好，我係阿丁啊，我係嚟咗柬埔寨大概1年9個月到嘅宣教士啦。咁我主要咧喺教會服侍，同埋喺呢度啦，人力資源學院 HRDI 我都有服侍嘅。
柬埔寨亞洲人力資源學院係宣道差會喺金邊開辦嘅學校，已經有超過25年嘅歷史。現時學院開設2年制副學士課程，有英文同資訊科技2個主修。我哋好盼望能夠透過全面嘅教育，唔單止教授知識，更重要係讓學生能夠得聞福音，生命得着改變。
Hello, brothers and sisters in Christ. Thanks for your prayer and support for the ministry of HRDI in Cambodia. My name is Bun Huyen Philip. I am the director of HRDI, and I have started working here in 1999. The reasons that I have been staying here for such long, because I know that God has called me to join the ministry since I'm passionate in education, especially in holistic education. And here in HRDI, I do not only have a chance to share the knowledge and the skills with the students, but also I have the chance to share the gospel with the students and to work with our brothers and sisters in Christ.
隨住社會發展，學院近年面對唔少挑戰，其一係收生越嚟越困難。
近呢1-2年咧，政府其實投放多咗資源去一啲職業培訓啊，或者一啲大學學位以外嘅一啲培訓，其實係一件好事嚟嘅。咁但係佢投放咗多啲資源咧，即係代表學生其實多咗選擇啦。咁學生考大學入學試，佢入唔到大學咧，佢有其他嘅選擇多咗，所以變咗其實我哋由舊年開始，其實個收生都係相當困難啦。同埋我哋收到嚟嘅學生咧，佢哋嗰個成績啊，佢哋個水平啊，其實係越嚟越低嘅。咁但係我哋都係一個副學士課程，我哋其實都有我哋嗰個程度，佢唔可以太差咁樣。即係如果唔係佢入到嚟，其實佢未必可以跟得到個進度，或者可以即係2年讀完畢業。
所以學院近年積極提升教學嘅質素，以吸引更加多嘅學生嚟去就讀。學院亦都同唔少嘅本地大學去合作。當我哋嘅學生讀完副學士課程2年畢業之後，就可以直接去到呢一啲嘅大學去讀學位課程嘅3年班或者係2年班。另一個挑戰係我哋嘅教職員團隊，我哋好盼望能夠有更加多願意委身嘅基督徒去加入我哋嘅教職員團隊，能夠以生命嘅榜樣去吸引學生認識主耶穌，亦都能夠擁抱我哋學院嘅辦學理念同埋宣教使命。
Since we are working in a Christian school, and most of our staff team are Christians, and we demonstrate the Christian values, and we teach this kind of values to the students, and we believe that one day students will be accepted by Christ to be the disciple of Him, and continue to serve the society, and also especially to share the gospel to the other people across the country. I would like to share with you a story. A young boy came from the province about 10 years ago. He came here firstly to work in a restaurant as a waiter, and then later on he learned about the scholarship opportunity from HRDI, and then he applied for the scholarship to study in English literature. Within the 2-year program, he was an excellent student. He worked very hard, and he also became a Christian and attended our church, Phnom Penh Church. He finished his associate degree from our organization, and then he pursued his bachelor degree. He spent another 2 years in other university. He got bachelor degree. At this moment, he also pursuing his master degree in one of the public university in Cambodia. Now he is working in a Christian school as an English teacher, teaching in high school. More than that, he is married to a girl who is in our church too. So until now they have 3 children. They got family. So we can see that and his life has been completely changed by God and also by the education that HRDI was providing for him.
喺啱啱過去嘅8月底，學院辦咗一次校友聚會，由第一屆至最近一屆畢業嘅校友都有出席，大家喺當中彼此分享，互相關心，讓我哋睇見學院就係一個大家庭，大家喺當中彼此去分享基督嘅愛。過去我哋有一啲嘅校友喺我哋嘅學院畢業之後，都成為咗我哋嘅教職員嘅一份子，繼續一代一代將學院嘅使命，將基督犧牲嘅愛去傳揚開去。所以我哋好需要大家嘅禱告同埋奉獻支持，你哋嘅紀念，你哋嘅關心，成為我哋繼續服侍落去嘅動力。多謝大家。